Alex, we need to start packing today.
Yes, we have a lot of things to organize.
I'll pack the kitchen items first.
Good idea. I'll handle the books and documents.
Mom, what about my toys?
We'll pack them carefully in a separate box.
Don't forget to label each box.
Yes, that will help us later.
Can I help too?
Of course. You can pack your small toys.
This move is exciting but also tiring.
Yes, but our new apartment is beautiful. I really like our new apartment.
Me too. It's bigger than this one.
Does it have a balcony?
Yes, and you can play there.
The kitchen is also very modern.
And the living room has large windows.
I want my own room.
You will have your own room.
Our new apartment is closer to your school too.
That will save time every day.
I'm excited to move.
So are we, dear.
Hello, is this the moving company?
Yes, this is Fast Move Services. How can I help you?
Hi, I want to move to a new apartment this week.
Sure, we can help you with that. What day are you planning to move?
I'm thinking about Friday morning.
Let me check. Yes, we are available on Friday.
That's great. I have a 2-bedroom apartment.
Okay. Do you have large furniture like beds and a sofa?
Yes, I have a bed, sofa, table, and some boxes.
No problem. Our team will handle everything carefully.
How much will it cost?
It depends on the items, but we can give you a good price.
That sounds good. Do you also pack items?
Yes, we offer packing and unpacking services too.
Perfect. What time will you arrive?
We can come at 9 a.m.
That works for me.
Please share your address and contact number.
Sure, I'll send it now.
Thank you. Your booking is confirmed.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. See you on Friday.
I called a moving company today.
What did they say?
They are available Friday morning.
That's great. How much will it cost?
It's a bit expensive, but worth it.
Yes, we need help with heavy furniture.
Will they take my bed too?
Yes, they will move everything.
We should be ready before they arrive.
I'll confirm the booking now.
Good, let's finish packing quickly.
I'm excited to see the truck.
Good morning. We are here to help.
Welcome, please come in.
All the boxes are ready.
Great. We'll start with the furniture.
Wow, they are very fast.
Yes, they are professionals.
Please handle the glass items carefully.
Don't worry, we will.
I'll guide you with the boxes.
Thank you, sir.
This feels like a big day.
Yes, a new beginning for us.
Finally, we are here.
Yes, we made it. It looks even better now.
Welcome. Where should we place the furniture?
Please put the sofa in the living room near the window.
And the dining table goes next to the kitchen.
Got it. What about the bed?
Please place the bed in the master bedroom.
And the smaller bed goes in the kids' room.
Sure. We'll handle everything carefully.
Please be careful with the glass table.
Don't worry, ma'am. We'll take extra care.
You can keep these boxes in the corner for now.
All right, we'll arrange them neatly.
Thank you. This is very helpful.
Do you want us to set up the wardrobe too?
Yes, please. That would be great.
And the kitchen boxes can stay near the counter.
Okay, we're almost done here.
Everything looks good so far.
Yes, it's coming together nicely.
All the furniture is in place now.
Thank you so much for your hard work.
Yes, we really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Have a great day in your new home.
Wow, I love it.
I'm glad you like it, dear.
Can I see my room now?
Of course, let's go together.
Be careful. There are still some boxes around.
This is my room? It's so big.
Yes, and you can decorate it the way you like.
I want to put my toys near the window.
That's a great idea.
The view is so nice.
Yes, we can see the park from here.
Can we go there later?
Yes, after we finish unpacking.
I'm so happy we moved here.
This place already feels like home.
Yes, it's perfect for our family.
Can we celebrate now?
Of course. What do you want?
Pizza.
Pizza sounds perfect.
Let's relax and enjoy our first day here.
Best day ever.
Let's start unpacking now.
Yes, I'll open the kitchen boxes first.
I'll arrange my toys in my room.
Be careful while opening the boxes.
Don't worry. I'll handle them carefully. Jane, where should I put these dishes?
Put them in the cabinet near the sink.
My room looks so nice already.
I'm glad you like it, dear.
We still have a lot to do.
Yes, but we're making good progress.
I'm tired now.
Me too. It has been a long day.
Yes, we are all tired. I think we should do only some work now.
What do you mean?
Let's just open the necessary kitchen items for tonight.
That's a good idea.
We can unpack the rest tomorrow.
Yes, I want to rest now.
All right, let's finish quickly and then relax.
I'll take out plates, glasses, and a few utensils.
I'll clean them and arrange them properly.
Can I help with something small?
Yes, you can bring the spoons.
Great teamwork. We'll finish this in no time.
Then we can finally take a rest.
And maybe watch a movie?
That sounds perfect after a busy day.
Yes, let's do that.
Hello, welcome to the building.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. We just moved in today.
That's great. I live next door.
Hello,
Hi, what's your name?
my name is Emma.
That's a lovely name.
The neighborhood seems friendly.
Yes, everyone here is helpful.
That's good to hear.
Let me know if you need anything.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy English with HK. Your support means a lot and helps us create more helpful videos for you.